I just have so many sensations happening on my lips right now. That's a good squish. That is a quality squish. Shut up right now. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of trying YouTuber slash influencer brands. We've done an episode now trying influencer food brands and also an episode trying YouTuber drink brands. And so today is kind of like an assortment, a variety of products. And do me a solid and in the comments, let me know what other YouTuber slash influencer brands and products there are out there so we can keep this series going. For most of these categories, we have the YouTuber product, a high-end option, and also an affordable option. So I'm super curious to see if I can guess which one's which. And off the top, I just want to give all of these YouTubers and influencers major props. I commend any YouTuber who does licensing, collabs, and product lines. That is some boss bitch shit, and I am here for it. And even if they're not my personal favorite, I'll have links to each product in the description box below. These are my favorite videos to film, just like eating crispy chocolate as my job. It literally does not get better than this. Thank you all for allowing this to be my profession. Okay, so there's a Mr. Beast chocolate bar Feastable of the crispy quinoa milk chocolate piece here. You can only buy Feastables in a box of 10, so hopefully I love it. We've also got like a regular crunch bar in here somewhere, and then also like a bougie chocolate. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I mean, it was fire. I mean, that was 10 out of 10. Okay, some water to cleanse the palate. Okay, here we go. Oh, this one's different. You know, you can just like kind of taste that it's really bad for you, but like in the best way. This one tastes healthier. Like maybe a little more bitter, but like still good. This one just like reigns supreme so far. Okay, cleansing palate. This is really hard. I mean, damn, that one was good too. In terms of my favorite, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3. But I love milk chocolate. I don't know if this was dark chocolate, but this one tasted the most bitter, like closest to being dark chocolate. And like I'm a milk chocolate kind of bitch. I'm gonna say crunch, Feastables, bougie.
You're right.
Shut up! Really?
Yeah.
Wow! Crunch, Feastables, bougie. Wow, I knew the bougie one was gonna be like the most bitter. Oh my god.
Feastables is also dark chocolate.
Oh, is it? Oh wow. This dark chocolate is way better than this dark chocolate for sure. And then milk chocolate, like you just know it's dripping in saturated fat, which tastes so good. Okay, next up. I just want everyone to know that we are going the extra mile here and rolling up the entire carpet so I can really feel the pain of the hardwood on my elbows in a plank. We're going the extra mile for you.
Come forward, come forward. Okay, now, oh, that's your first match.
Ooh, this is pretty nice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a plank because I feel like I gotta feel the pain through the elbows. Ugh. I hate planks. It's kind of like slippy. I just like no free feet, so like I don't want to like take my socks off. But it is kind of like a weird stretchy material where it kind of moves. Wow, that is oddly stretchy. Okay. I mean, it feels pretty nice. This is pretty thick. And rolling. Ugh. This is soft. Like this texture is so nice. It's like fuzzy and like makes it so you don't stick to it, but gives you like enough grip. I don't know how I went from eating chocolate bars to holding a plank. It's some bullshit. Okay, this is like good on the elbows. It's not as thick, but like it's nice. Honestly though, like the main point of this one that's nice is like this weird fuzzy material on top. I can make a sweat pool happen very quickly on this one, where this would not show my sweat pool. It's very soft. Oh my god, this has gotta be the shit one. I couldn't even tell the difference between the floor. This has got to be the shitty one. There's no way this is Cassie's. There's just no way. I genuinely can't tell the difference between like being on the floor and being on this. Like nothing about this is good. I'm gonna scream if it's the expensive one. There's no way. This is just trash. Like I might as well just be on a Kleenex. Like the amount of detail that Cassie puts into her products, I think she would think about the fuzziness of this top one. Okay, I think shitty. I think Cassie. Going back to this one, damn, this one's real nice. This has got to be the expensive one.
So right now, you are on an Amazon Basic $17.99 yoga mat.
Shut up right now. $17.99? Damn.
So you were right with the middle one.
Okay, I knew the attention to detail on this texture is so nice.
Which means your least favorite.
Shut up right now.
Is $160.
In what world? And this one comes with an extra piece? Are you kidding? How could this possibly be so expensive? You know what this feels like? It feels like a mouse pad. Also, this is so Cute. Yoga people don't come for me, but that's some bullshit right there. Moriah Elizabeth's plushie is somewhere in this mix of 3. And my team I have a lot of plushies, 1 in my house, and also I gave them the go-ahead to order new ones. I don't know the assortment of plushies that's gonna be in here, so this is truly a blind little test. I'm gonna try and just focus mostly on little pets. I also am not super familiar with Moriah Elizabeth, so I don't know who her characters are. So I wouldn't even know what I was looking for. Okay, so I know that there's a Squishmallow in the mix. I don't know why I keep my eyes closed. It's so stupid. I know there's a Squishmallow in the mix. I know there's a Miniso plushie in the mix, and then Moriah. Squishmallows and Miniso are similar, and so I just don't really know what Mariah's gonna feel like. This is really soft though. The squish is pretty squishy. It feels like a Squishmallow, but I feel like Miniso, or I don't know, maybe Squishmallows did it first and Miniso copied Squishmallows, but I feel like they have a really similar squish to them. Oh shit, these feel the same. These feel the exact same. That's a good squish. That is a quality squish. Ah shit, maybe this is the Squishmallow? I thought that I knew my Squishmallow. I thought I knew the feeling of the ultimate squish, which in my mind is a Squishmallow, to be completely honest. I thought the first one was soft and squishy, but this one's even softer and a little squishier. I just might get completely bamboozled here. Bring me the 3rd squish. Oh, okay, soft, but dense. This is definitely not a Squishmallow. Everything is just like, is it a Squishmallow, yes or no? See, here's the thing, it's that like everyone's got different criteria for what their ideal squish is, what their ideal plushie is. Okay, based on what I know and process of elimination, I feel like I have a pretty good grasp. Also, I don't know why the fuck I keep I think I had my eyes closed that entire clip. So stupid. Like knowing how many hours of naps I've logged on top of a Squishmallow, I feel confident that number 2 is a Squishmallow.
Number 2 is a Squishmallow.
Ah, I knew it, I knew it. My squish expertise is just 10 out of 10. And with that in mind, I would say plushie number 1 is Miniso.
You are correct.
Let's go! And squish number 3, the dense one, is Moriah Elizabeth. Okay, price reveal. Here's the thing, I've done 2 rounds of plushie merch, and that shit is so expensive. So I'm genuinely, that was so cute. I'm genuinely so impressed that this is only $29.99. Like you guys know that I've done 2 rounds of mousses, and not only is it super expensive to produce plushies when you're not creating them for 19 billion different stores, the way that Squishmallows are able to just like mass produce. I just know that the amount of plushies that their team is creating versus Squishmallows, it's a pricey process. And so this is a quality squish, worth the money. I've got very, very sophisticated packaging to keep these anonymous. I think someone on TikTok actually asked her how many cc she gets for lip filler, and she was like, bitch, I just use my own lip plumping oil. And it was like the best clap back flex, clap back flex, slap back flex. So anyways, I ordered it. I've been dying to try it, but I saved it for this video. Lip plumping oils have proven to be a pretty niche product. So our most affordable is $15 and the most expensive is $23. Since I only have 2 lips, I'm gonna split the bottom one. And I'm going on the basis that like the more burny sensation, the plumpier the lips are gonna be. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is pretty pigmented, this one. Okay. Burn sensation is low. Oh no, it's coming. It's coming. It's happening. This is like a very, very subtle plump. I've got a few like plumping glosses that I feel like are pretty intense. This is like a light burn. Okay, next. Oh, this one's definitely more. I've just got a lot of sensations happening on my lips right now. Middle is definitely the burniest. In like a good way though. You know what I mean? Like this is the product that you want to feel the most tinglies on your lips because that's what you're paying for. Oh, it doesn't smell really good. I have to like really focus on like what's happening. Number 3 had the best consistency. Number 2, I think was like the burniest, tingliest. But number 3, I think had the most pigment. I just have so many sensations happening on my lips right now that it's so hard to tell. I feel like Ellie's in her TikTok, hers was really pigmented. So like I wanna say this one, but also her lips were like so full. So maybe this one, I'm stuck between these 2. I kind of think this one is the drugstore one because I feel like drugstore products are like the more affordable ones always have the best scents, which sometimes is like a little alarming, but like I'm always in favor of. Okay, final answer. Most affordable is the one that smells like a Jolly Rancher. Ellie, the tingliest. I feel like she's got like plump lips. If it's from this product, bitch, I'm a customer. I am sold. And then I'm gonna go high end as this one that's like the most pigmented. Like it was tingly, but also really pigmented.
Okay, so you are correct about the affordable one.
I knew it. There's something about the Jolly Rancher smell that just like they're making products towards a customer like me, and they were absolutely correct.
But the influencer and the high end
Is swap?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I mean, either way, I think these are both wins. Honestly, these are all solid products. All of these, I feel like, are not sticky, smell decent, and are burny in 3 different ways to make you plumpier. And that is a word, plumpier. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave me in the comments any of the YouTuber and influencer products that you'd like me to try in the next episode. A reminder that I've launched the Discord officially. I think at this point it's over 5,000 people on the server, which is some whack ass shit, and I'm very excited. So link to the Discord and all of the products that you saw in the video will be linked in the description box below, and I will see you guys next video. Bye guys.